Blair Castle is one of Scotland's most iconic and historically rich castles, nestled in the heart of the scenic Perthshire Highlands. With a history spanning over 750 years, this majestic fortress has stood as a witness to Scotland's turbulent history, family feuds, royal visits, and evolving architecture. Today, Blair Castle is not only a symbol of Scottish heritage but also a fascinating destination that attracts visitors from around the world who are drawn by its breathtaking scenery, impressive art collections, and the allure of its stories. The location and setting. Blair Castle is situated near the village of Blair Atholl, at the gateway to the Cairngorms National Park. This region is known for its rolling hills, dense woodlands, and the River Garry, creating a natural fortress that has protected and sheltered the castle for centuries. The picturesque landscape is particularly stunning in the autumn, when the foliage turns golden, drawing photographers, hikers, and history enthusiasts alike. The castle is also famous for its extensive grounds, including the beautiful Hercules Garden, a 9-acre walled garden that features ponds, fruit trees, and sculptures. Origins and early history. Blair Castle's origins date back to 1269 when John I Comyn, Lord of Badenoch, first began its construction. According to legend, however, the site may have held a fortress even earlier, constructed by David I of Scotland in the 12th century. The strategic location of the castle made it a valuable asset, especially during the wars between the Scots and the English in the 13th and 14th centuries. Over time, the castle became the stronghold of the Murray clan, who became known as the Dukes and Earls of Atholl. The 14th-century castle was not initially built as the grand structure it is today. Like many medieval fortresses, it was more functional than decorative, with walls and battlements meant to repel invaders. It wasn't until the 16th century, when the Mays gained more power and influence, that they started to expand and embellish the castle.